Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from, and definitely want to get the chart updated here. As you know, I'm not going to say the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, the bears definitely had a good day and took a bite out of things. But from the big picture perspective, the bulls are still in control. The chart isn't looking quite as good as it was, going into the day, and the main reason for that revolves around the channel pattern here that I talked about on Friday. The top of the channel up around 515, and then the bottom of the channel, this green line, valued at $4.40. And this is where the initial update comes into play, and this update is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So late morning, the price you can see right here did break below 440, and then you could throw this chart right into a textbook in terms of an example of how supports tend to act as resistance, because multiple times this afternoon you can see right here the bulls did indeed try to get back up above that 440 mark, but they just couldn't quite do it. So 440 proven to be an area of resistance here, and that'll be the initial area of resistance for the remainder of the week. If there is any sort of bounce, then 440 is going to be that first hurdle. Next key hurdle to keep an eye on, if the price can indeed get up above 440, is going to be the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So 440 and then 50-period simple moving average, and then yeah, you got the 515 top of the channel up here. But it's pretty pointless at this point in time to be talking about the top of the channel up here until the bulls can first, clear these first initial hurdles. What about next potential areas of support in the event this pullback has some more juice left in it? Let's see, next key area of support, which I think it bounced off of today. Yeah, right there at $4.10. You can see going back through the history of the chart, bears try to press down through that $4.10 area right there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And once again, the bears tried right there, but again, the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So 410, that next key area of support, if that can hold, then from a big picture perspective, the next must-hold level of support is definitely that pink line down there, which is the very famous 200-period simple moving average. But I mean, the price isn't even close to it right now, so almost no point in talking about that one right now either, since the price is still up here at $4.30. So good day for the bears, but big picture of things, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to ultimately build an overall higher low, and that's the name of the game. So we'll see how the week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.